I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy edits from one photo to a different photo on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first step is to open your Photos app and edit a picture. I'm going to edit this random picture right here. I'm just going to use the auto to get me started, and then I'm just going to go crazy with the highlights and shadows and the brightness. Okay, so these are the edits that I want to make on another picture. Now that you've made these edits, tap on the three dots on the top right-hand corner, and you're going to click Copy Edits. Now, there's two options here, Adjust and Adaptive. Adjust matches your copy edits exactly the same. Adaptive will also take into consideration things that you might want based on things in the photo like exposure, white balance, basically things that it perceives based on what it looks like. So I'm going to leave Adaptive on in this case, and then I'm going to click Copy. We'll click Done and leave that image as it is. Then I'll go back to this image, and we're going to go to the Edit mode, and then we're going to tap the three dots on the top right, and we'll click Paste Edits. Now it has pasted the edits from the other picture. As you can see, the color matches pretty darn well. I'll click Done and show you back and forth between these two. The color and the contrast and everything, all of the edits that I made look pretty similar, and we can double check by opening the Edit browser, go over to Highlights. I crank the highlights up, I crank the shadows down, I crank the brightness up, crank the saturation and the vibrance. So we can see that the edits actually were copied over.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.